Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to change balloon number. So we have this example drawing sheet, and if you want to add these balloon tools, you can create the bill of material. Okay, I will click in here and then use the top level. You can click at this area to add another columns or rows. You can right click and then go to insert. I will click row below. Okay, you can right click again, insert below. So we have these two options. You can set the names like into example, and in here also I will set into example. To add balloon, you can click balloon tools and you can choose. I will choose the item number. Okay, I will click in here and you can click. Now to change the number, you can press Escape button to close from this balloon selection, and then you can click inside and you can change the number like into 1. Click outside to apply. So I will create again these balloons with the item number. Click from this edge and click here. You can click again in the center. You can delete and then you can change into number 2. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to change balloon number. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.